The bullet journal method. Introduction. Bullet journal is a flexible way to organize tasks, goals, and thoughts in one notebook. It was created by American designer Ryder Carroll to help people manage their time and ideas more effectively. Unlike traditional planners, bullet journal is fully customizable. You can use it for work tasks, personal goals, notes, and even random thoughts. He wanted a method that combines planning, tracking, and reflection in one place without complicated tools or apps. Over time, his system became popular worldwide. Practical application. Imagine you're an office worker juggling multiple projects, meetings, and deadlines. A bullet journal helps you keep everything organized in one place. For example, you can list daily tasks, track upcoming deadlines, and write down important ideas from meetings. At the end of the week, you can review what you've accomplished and adjust your plans for the future. How to use it. And our index. The first pages act as a table of contents, helping you find notes easily. If your notebook has numbered pages, it's even more convenient. 2. Future log, a section for long-term plans, such as big projects, vacations, or yearly goals. Instead of remembering everything, you write it down and check it later. 3. Monthly log, a list of important dates for the month, such as birthdays, deadlines, and key events. This helps you see what's coming up at a glance. 4. Daily log. Every day, write down your tasks, appointments, and quick notes. You can also add reflections or new ideas. 5. Review section. At the end of the day or week, check what you completed, what needs to be moved to the future, and what is no longer relevant. 6. Custom collections. Add any extra lists that matter to you, like books to read, fitness goals, or habit trackers. Benefits. Simple and flexible. You create a system that works best for you. Boosts productivity, helps you focus on important tasks and track progress. Reduces stress, keeps all your plans and notes in one place. Encourages reflection, reviewing past notes helps you learn and improve. Subscribe and leave a comment on how perfect or unworthy this method is.